In this case, we're going to, I've already done a little work here, so that's why I'm getting the previously opened workflow that I was doing to kind of resume the work that I was doing, but we're going to start from scratch, okay? We're going to go to the scenario management. We have several tabs here: scenario management, analysis, and well type comparison. In the scenario management, we are going to create the master. We have several tools here that in latter sessions, we're going to show you that we have some presets. But for the time being, we're going to create the session. This is the session 1 of July. We're going to check some proven resource type data. We're going to check for the oil primary phase. We're doing some public access workflow, so this is going to be a public information. We're going to check several information, and we're going to fill. I think that we have like a message. If you have daily data available, you can also use it for the well type, more granularity and fits, much more precise. They will performance prior to downtime. Okay, excellent, Alejandro. We're going to see on the analysis tab the possibility to use monthly data or daily data if we've correctly uploaded that data to Alana or kind of connected to the server. We will be able to do so, as Alejandro just typed on the chat box. Okay, we're going to save some the changes here, and we are going to go to the analysis tab, and we are going to look for the scenario that we just did, that we just created. In this case, the session _1 July. We are going to create well type using the the 5 wells from Vol. If we go here into the show well location, we're going to select the wells that we're going to do the well typing. If for some reason we want to create the company needs to have like at first hand the production of a new well, you would need to compare it or get a well type, a curve from common wells or from nearby wells. In this case, we're going to check the bulk field. We know that the hook information is from this field, and there you go. We have here the wells location. In this case, let's reset the axis and use the lasso tool to select all the wells that I want to use in the well typing process. We are going to click on the OK button, and there you go. If we run it, if we evaluate it, we will need first to select which wells we want to visualize. And at the first glance, we're going to select all of them, but we would need to do a little much more delicate work here. In this case, we have here the select data tool. If we click it here, we are going to be able to see the points that are being selected for the workflow, and we can select other points as well. What happens if we only want to select this decline or this downward form? As you can see, there you go. This are the selected points that I've just clicked. I'm going to click on OK, and oops, what happened here? This is something happened, but I've just edited. Give me just 1 second. Let's redo this, only this. There you go, selected points, okay. The F11, I'm only using this. Let's only check these points. Click on OK. The F12, it's only checking this trend. Let's only check for this trend, this trend. There you go. Okay. And as you can see, the points that are being selected for each well are changing, right? This let's go and edit the F12. This is already been selected. The F14, which has all this trend. Let's go and select this points, this trend. We're going to click on OK. There you go. It's redoing the plot every time we edit the trend. And just to visualize it much more clearly, we're going to go here to the WT option tab, and we're going to reduce the number of days that we're going to see. There you go. Let's check for the, which one is the orange? The orange is the F5. And the blue one, it's the F4. If we are going to deselect the F5, the F4, and let's see how it goes. We evaluate it, and there you go. We have the well type curve that we just did, and here we have the F15D. Let's go check it out. This well has no clear trend, so we're going to just deselect it from the well type selection, and there you go. Let's see which one else. Which else? I think that we're working good now. If we go here to well type options, we can remove the 0 values as well and normalize rates. Okay, so we're not, in this case, we're not going to we're not going to do that. The trend, it looks quite appropriate. So if we save it, we are going to have a case successfully saved. Okay, let's check. I don't remember, but I think that we have used daily data. Let's create a new scenario where we are going to use the daily data for, as Alejandro in the chat gave us the tip, for more granularity and fit. So let's go back to scenario management. We're going to create a new session, 1 July, and daily. Let's save the changes. We have new entry successfully updated. Excellent. We go to the analysis. Let's go back. Let's go and select the scenario. As you can see, the case we were working on, it's pre-selected. It's been selected automatically, and it's been opened automatically. Let's go back in. Let's go and select the session 1 July _ daily. And let's use daily data for which wells? For the bulb wells in this case. Let's go back for the bulb field, cook information, and in this case, just for the, let's select all wells. All the wells are being selected here. Let's click on OK. We see the wells here. Let's just turn on several wells, only 3, evaluate, and interesting. This looks like the use daily data. I don't see much more points. April, July, this doesn't look right. This is no, I think that we don't have daily data for these wells. This looks like the monthly data. But if you, I think that we're going to do another session in the Alana upload to upload the daily data for us to do be able to do this part. So this is pending. This I think that this is going to be a pending topic, and I think for the next week we're going to upload that data to the Alana server for you guys to have it at hand, and for us to run another well type process or workflow. But in this case, we're going to use the daily data, and maybe in the Python workflow as well, we're going to change from the parameters from the dictionary. Instead of using the monthly, we're going to use the daily.